Hello and welcome to the PayRules app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename payment methods using PayRules. In this video, we will show how to hide specific payment methods based on date/day/time in Shopify. Let's open the PayRules app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the date and time condition. So first, we'll search for date and time in the search bar and select it. Click Select Elite 1 combination to continue. Now you'll see two selection options. Weekly schedule. When you select a weekly schedule, the rule will apply every week. Specific date and time. When you select specific date and time, the rule will apply only once. You can also choose between two date types, single and range. Select either a single date or a date range depending on your needs. For this video, we will select Weekly Schedule and select the If Found, then select Saturday and Sunday. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now, set a name for the rule. Finally, go to Add Payment Method and add the payment method you want to hide. For example, we will add Cash on Delivery. If you don't see your payment method in this list, simply write the payment name manually like Alipay and click on Add Alipay option. Click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, Cash on Delivery and Alipay are visible because today is neither Saturday nor Sunday. Now we will go back to the rule, change the date to today's date, Thursday, and set it accordingly. Then we will go to the checkout and check it again. As you can see, Cash on Delivery and Alipay are now hidden because we've updated the rule date to which is today's date. That's it. This is how to hide specific payment methods based on date/day/time. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!